Former Orlando Pirates coach Jose Rivera has tactfully avoided being drawn into speculation about his potential interest in the Bafana Bafana job, insisting South Africans should focus on the national team's current momentum rather than future coaching debates. Bafana Bafana will be without a head coach after the 2026 FIFA World Cup, with incumbent Hugo Broos having already confirmed he will step down and retire following the global showpiece. This has triggered early murmurs about possible successors, a list many believe could feature Rivero, who enjoyed a trophy-laden 2.5-year spell with the Buccaneers. The Spaniard delivered 5 domestic cup titles at Pirates and guided the Soweto Giants to the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League, establishing himself as one of the most successful coaches in recent club history. Currently back in South Africa for Carling Cup duties, Rivera was asked directly whether he would consider taking the reins at Bafana Bafana. He declined to entertain the speculation, as South Africa has a national team coach right now. We are leaving today. I'll answer this straight because we have to enjoy the moment. South Africa is doing so well in terms of football. He highlighted the surge of positivity around the national team as Bafana Bafana prepare for the next year's Africa Cup of Nations, with the World Cup appearance also within reach. He said, "We are just about to go to AFCON and there's a World Cup on the horizon. The team is playing good football, people are returning to stadiums for Bafana Bafana games, and they are following the team massively on TV as well. So let's enjoy the moment." The former Pirates mentor urged unwavering backing for Broos and his players as they chase what he believes could be a historic period for South African football. He said, "Let's give all the support to Hugo, his people, and these players because they are on the verge of doing something great for South African football. After that, we'll see what happens. There will, of course, be many discussions, which is normal, but let's see." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.